we have to contextualize not only violence, but the issue of equality within power structures. The power to create knowledge, the power to communicate, the power to make decisions, the power to be present where decisions are made to influence them. And that power comes from consciousness, it comes from awareness, it comes from determination to do something and the belief that we can, and it comes from strengthening that feeling in each other and across borders. And the various campaigns really, I think, very nicely discussed how that can be done. And in the very nice spirit of both diversity and solidarity between East and West, and culture and literature, and including men, I would like to take the privilege of a Persian and Iranian and quote a poem. I'm going to quote the poem from our Persian poet Saadi, who's a man. And I'm going to say it in Persian, and there are a few of you here who will follow it, but then I will do the English. In Persian, Saadi says, بنی آدم اعضای یکدیگرند که در آفرینش ز یک گوهرند که چو عضوی به درد آورد روزگار دیگر عضوها را نماند قرار. Now, in order to translate it, I can't actually translate that sentiment. It's a sentiment that has been repeated a lot here, but I'll use another man, this time a Western man, who has the same idea. John Donne. He said, "No man is an island entire unto himself. Any man's death diminishes me, for I am involved in mankind." So I think this is the sentiment that has been repeated here. Men, women, Muslims, Christians, various cultures, and I think Parveen was the last one to say it. If one person, one woman, one man, one child is hurt in one part of the world, the rest of mankind is hurt as well. So if we're going to get there in 2020, we got to do it together. And I think that that's the sentiment that we can take away together from this day.